A lot of it.
I don't know how much you swallowed.
I'm scared.
Oh, dude, I
give me that. I do.
I get to brush my teeth.
Okay, give me that one.
We'll see who lasts the longest. This is gonna be funny.
No, open your mouth.
No, Kyle, let them do it at the same time.
It's gonna blow everywhere. I just said that. Open your mouth. You ready?
Go.
Just go.
Go. Oh, go. Get by him. Get by him. You got a close up.
Get by what?
Oh.
Eat it.
And you guys, half of your guys just blew out.
20 bucks.
I know, I'm just saying.
I'm not gonna get it.
20 bucks.
Stay by Sierra.
I can't film both of them at the same time.
Go by Sierra.
No, it's
Go closer. I can't get it out of my mouth. Get water. I can't get it out. Oh.
It's hot, huh? Go get some water and go inside.
Oh, the water right there.
Oh.
That's right there. Oh my god. Hey, can I try the cracker one now?
We don't got any saltines.
I
But
gotta go get some. What they're gonna do?
Two?
The cracker you have to be able to eat 10 crackers
In a minute.
In a minute.
he picked that up and did that himself.
No. How? One by one?
Any way you want. If you can eat 10 in a
I'm
minute.
putting 3 in my mouth. That's the same.
Fine.
Okay.
Do whatever you're gonna do. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm gonna go to the store and get some crackers.
That's not fair.
Okay,
She
go
got
ahead.
20 bucks. She didn't get 20
I didn't even know about this cinnamon one though.
That tastes bad.
It's hot, huh?
Spicy. No, when I was trying to swallow it, I started chewing it, and then I'm all.
It's hot, huh?
I lasted longest. It's so gross.